How to disable Zscaler without password. Now the very first thing that you will do is just to go to your Windows icon right here, click on that, and then type in reset. Now click on reset this PC. Now once you're trying to enter a specific password from your Zscaler and you might forgot the password, your system will automatically detect it from the troubleshoot under the recovery settings. Now for you to be able to do that, so again, go to your Windows icon, type in reset, and this window will pop up. Now all you have to do is just go to troubleshoot. And again, once the system detected that you're trying to input an incorrect password from your Zscaler, it will automatically be detected right here. So you'll just have to run through the troubleshoot, and then once the troubleshoot is done, you go back to the Windows update, check for any specific troubleshooting that needed from here, and once everything is done, go back to your Windows icon, type in reset, click the reset this PC again, and you'll have to click on get started. Now from get started, you can choose to keep your files or remove everything. So since we're trying to disable Zscaler, just choose on keep my files and your PC will automatically restart and you should be able to disable your Zscaler from then. So that's how you disable your Zscaler without password.